Good morning students. Welcome back our online classes Science 7th standard. Students, today we are going to continue about the second chapter Nutrition in Animals. So in previous classes already have discussed all the things in the concept whatever it is there in the chapter, but today we are going to discuss about that exercise part, and that is specially objective questions. Okay students, you can see your textbook also, and with me you should observe that what is there. Okay, so first of all we have to discuss the fill in the blanks. So first question of the students, nutrition in most animal is, almost all the animals are taking the nutritions or nutritions. What is that? That is called as the holozoic nutrition. Okay, second question of the students, the process of converting food into simpler and soluble form is called dash. The process, which one is food is converting into simpler and soluble substances? That process is called as digestion. What is that? Digestion. Third question students, chewing of food is a dash process. Wherever we are big substances, that means whatever that things is there, we are breaking into small substances. That is called as a chewing. And chewing is which process? What is that? Chewing is a dash process. That is called as a mechanical process. Remember students? Mechanical process. Fourth question of the students, the digestive juices in the stomach help to break down dash into simpler substance. In the stomach, the whatever that stomach inside, that is the digestive juice is secreting and breaking what to into simpler substance. That is called as a protein. Protein is breaking and into the simpler substances. The villi are present on the inner wall of the dash intestine. The villi, where it is present, in the small intestine or the larger intestine? That is, correct answer is small intestine. The liver secretes dash into the small intestine. Liver secretes which juice? Secreting the juice, that is called as a bile juice. Seventh question students, in amoeba amoeba dash are used for procuring food. Procuring food means catching the food. How it will catch the food? Okay friends. So procuring the food means how the food is catching. Amoeba, how it will catch the food. That is called as procuring. How it is catching that food? By the pseudopodia. Like a finger-like structure is there with amoeba that helping to catch the food. So what is that? So in seventh answer is pseudopodia. Okay. So eighth answer, the stomach in the ruminants is dash chamber. In the last video already we have discussed the ruminants. How many chambers are there? Having the 4 chambers. Okay. How many chambers students? 4 chambers. Now we will go for discuss the section C2, that is state whether the following statements are true or false. What is the statements? Whether it is a true or false. Observe the first question. In an adult human, the total number of incisors are how many? Not 4 are. Is it correct? No, it is not correct, because in adult human they are having upper jaw 4 incisors are there, lower jaw also 4 upper jaw. Upper jaw having 4 incisors and lower jaw also 4. That means total how many are there? 8 incisors are there. But it is given 4, so it is false. Next question. Food pipe is also called alimentary canal. Students, food pipe is not alimentary canal. Food pipe is called as a oesophagus. So here given food pipe is also called alimentary canal. So it is also false. Third question. The U-shaped structure in the upper abdomen which receives the food from the food pipe is called the stomach. Students, which part of that organ, our alimentary canal, which is receiving the food from the esophagus or the food pipe, that is called as a U-shaped also. that is upper the abdomen. What part of this? That is called as a stomach. Upper the abdomen. Which one is receiving the food from the esophagus or food pipe? That is called as a stomach. That is true. So it is true. Next question. Food is mostly digested in the stomach. All food is not digested. It should go to the small intestine. It will secrete that bile juice and other things that it will digest. So it is not all that. It will store on the stomach. So it is false. Okay, friends. So next we will discuss about that. Other questions, friends. Here see, bile juice is stored in the gallbladder. Bile juice is stored at the bile juice is secreting from the liver. Okay, and it contain also gallbladder. So yes, it is true. Bile juice is stored at a gallbladder. It is true. Absorption of digested food take place in the large intestine. No, because absorption of digested food take place in the small intestine. So it is false. Ruminants can digest cellulose which cannot be digested by the humans. Yes, ruminants in that those are grass eating animals. They can cellulose they cannot be digested, but human beings cannot digest it. So it is true. Cod chewing is a feature found in ruminants. Cod chewing is a feature found in ruminants. Yes, cod means what? Which one we are staying in the food, like in the stomach. That is called as a, in ruminantary, what is that staying? That is called as a cod, and it is coming back into mouth. So that is, it is true. Okay, friends. Now, true false already it has finished. Now we will discuss about that as the following. Okay. Now, friends, here some points it is given, column A and column B, and suitable answer which one you have to observe. First read that once. Deer, amoeba, human, mouth cavity, liver and stomach, small intestine, large intestine. In the column B, food vehicles, omnivorous, ruminants, bile juice, hydrochloric acid, saliva, absorption of water and a yield. Students, so first question, deer. Deer with which one is suitable, you have to discuss. Okay, so observe friends, food vehicle not there. Okay, omnivorous not, so ruminant. Observe friends, deer is ruminant because other remain not possible, so we can write deer is ruminant because it is a grass eating animals. Okay, next we will go for amoeba. Amoeba food vehicles because it has the food vehicle. Yes, correct. Third one, humans. Human is omnivorous. Yes. Mouth cavity. Mouth cavity, what is there? Bile juice not, hydrochloric acid not, saliva. Okay, this is saliva. Mouth cavity, saliva will come. Liver. Liver is bile juice. Stomach. Stomach, hydrochloric acid. Small intestine, villi, and a large intestine, observe the absorption of the water. Okay, students, I hope you have understand this. That's the following, and we will see in the MCQ question. We will discuss on the next class and other part of the objectives. Okay, thank you all of you.